and gentlemen of the press, good evening as I welcome you to this press briefing. After the briefing, I'll be available to take questions from you. I was in court today and witnessed all that transpired in SC CV 1701-2024, Governor of Rivers State versus Rivers State House of Assembly and 15 others. Regrettably, after the court proceedings today, there has been serial misrepresentation in social and electronic media, grossly misrepresenting what transpired in court today. It is important to trace the facts leading to SCCV 1701-2024. On the 29th day of November 2023, Martin Chike Amaewhule and another instituted suit number FHC ABJ CS 1613-2023 at the Federal High Court, Abuja. Here are copies of the originating summons and the 11 reliefs they claimed in the summons. It will be made available to you to make up your mind. Now, on the 11th day of December 2023, while suit number FHC ABJ CS 1613 was pending in court, Martin Chike Amaewhule and 26 others defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress and automatically lost their seats as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. In suit number FHC ABJ CS 1613-2023, the question of defection of Martin Chike Amaewhule and 26 others was not an issue for determination. In other words, because this suit had been filed before they defected, the question of defection could not have been an issue in that case. Also, in the appeals that arose from suit number FHC ABJ CX 1613-2024, there was no question of defection whatsoever. Furthermore, while that suit was pending, and Martin Chike Amaewhule haven't defected, they did not inform the Honorable Court that we have defected from the PDP. If they had done so, the court may have taken a different decision. Now, in suit number FHC ABJ CS 1613-2023, amongst others, the principal relief was on the appropriation law of 2024. Now, the appropriation law of 2024, as we all know today, is totally spent and cannot be brought back into operation. The monies appropriated in that budget had already been spent, so nobody can recall that budget and spend that money. So, the appeal, that is SC CV 1701-2024, became merely academic, because you could not now on that case determine the fate of the budget that had already expired. Now, the appellant in that appeal, in keeping with the time-honored practice of not wasting precious judicial time, filed a notice of withdrawal of his appeal and urged the Honorable Court to dismiss the appeal. Accordingly, the Honorable Court granted the prayers sought and dismissed the appeal. This is all that transpired in the court and nothing more. The Supreme Court did not make any orders reinstating Martin Chike Amaewhule and the 26 others as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Neither did the court make any findings on their status as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, because it was like not a question for determination. Other than dismissing the suit and awarding costs, which follows the event, the court took no other decision. So it is surprising that Martin Chike Amaewhule and his lawyers have gone haywire in both print and social media to create a false narrative that the Supreme Court of Nigeria declared them as valid and subsisting members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, that there was no such declaration. So all the meetings they held today are of no consequence. We are calling on members of the public to ignore the false narrative that is making the rounds and the propaganda by Martin Amaewhule and his lawyers. When you file an appeal and compile and transmit records, the appeal is said to have been entered. And then when you come at that point to withdraw, the choice is you want to proceed with the appeal or withdraw your appeal. So when you file a notice of withdrawal to withdraw your appeal, the appeal will be dismissed. So the court did not, even Omotosho himself, did not make any finding or fact that Martin Amaewhule and others did not defect, and that they are subsidiary members of the House Assembly. All the court determined in that case, amongst others, was that, look, the appellant in the case should go back and represent the budget to the House Assembly led by Martin Amaewhule. But remember that after they filed the suit on the 29th of November 2023, they had defected on the 11th, 12 days thereafter. And of course, the Constitution is very clear, section 1091G, that when you defect, you automatically lose your seat. So, the Supreme Court did not make any declaration in their favor, contrary to what they are peddling in social and electronic media. Thank you.